How to add another guest on Airbnb. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for airbnb.com. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then log yourself in and further tap on the trips option on the top right of your screen from the drop-down menu that appears. Now go ahead and select the reservation you want to make changes in. Further, tap on the change reservation or modify reservation option. Now go ahead and update the number of guests and submit the request. The host will further have to review and approve your modification, and if adding a guest changes the price, Airbnb will display the updated cost to you. You will need to confirm the payment to finalize the change that you just made. So, this is how you can add another guest on Airbnb. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.